Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is about 7 hidden Python function tricks that clean your code instantly. So in this video I'll show you 7 hidden Python function tricks that will instantly clean up your code, make it shorter and way more professional. So these are techniques real developers use quietly, but today you'll learn them all. So let's start this. So we'll start by the first one. So the first one is default argument, which makes function flexible. So here we'll create a function and we'll see how default argument makes functions flexible. So here this default values allows calling the function with or without arguments. It helps avoid unnecessary if checks, and it is very much perfect for optional parameter in real projects. So now we can see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is return multiple values at once. So in this we'll see how function returns multiple values at once. So here we are creating a function. So here Python function can return multiple values using tuples, and this makes your function clean and avoids creating classes for extra variables. So here we'll see its output. So here we can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one, which is third one. So the third one is use argument for unlimited arguments. So in this also we'll create a function. So here we'll see argument collects any number of positional arguments, and it is very much perfect for calculators, loggers and aggregators and utilities. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see simply we use the argument for unlimited arguments. So the fourth one is use keyword argument for flexible named argument. So here also similarly we'll create a function. So here keyword argument collects argument as a dictionary. It is great for APIs, configuration functions or anything customizable. So we'll see what output does it gives. So here we can see it return the output in the form of a dictionary. Now moving on to the fifth one. So the fifth one is lambda function for one-line logic. So here I'll tell you how to use lambda functions for one-line logic. So here lambda functions are one-liner anonymous function. It is very much clean and ideal for sorting, filtering and tiny logic blocks. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see how sortedly it gave us the output. Now for the sixth one. So the sixth one is use docstrings to describe your function. So to define this, firstly we'll create a function here, and now we'll create a docstring. So here we have created the docstring. So here what we see is docstrings makes your code self-documenting. Then tools like VS Code, Jupyter and IDEs shows docstring automatically. So this makes your code very much professional. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. Now moving on to the seventh one. So the seventh one is early returns makes code cleaner. So for this let's create a function first, and in this function we'll use a condition. So here early return avoids deep nested if statement, and this makes function cleaner, shorter and easier to read, and it is used heavily in real production code bases. Okay, so now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output. So these were 7 Python function tricks that will instantly clean your code and make you think like a real developer. Start using them in your projects and you'll feel the difference immediately. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.